Think that you don't know Spanish? Think again, because today I'll show you 60 Spanish words you probably already know, and if not, they will sound pretty familiar to you so that you will remember them easily and without any difficulty. So without further ado, let's start. I've organized them into 10 categories, which you can see here. Let's start with the first one. Professions. El doctor, the doctor. El actor, the actor. Pretty easy start, isn't it? My favorite part, food and drinks. Okay, so el chocolate, the chocolate. El café, the coffee. El té, the tea. La pizza, the pizza. El limón, the lemon. El mango, the mango. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Moving on to accommodations and transport. El hotel, the hotel. La cafetería, the cafeteria. El cine, the cinema. El taxi, the taxi. El vagón, the wagon. El sofá, the sofa. Now technology. El internet, the internet. La radio, you guessed it right, the radio. La televisión, the television. Or la TV, the TV. La cámara, the camera. El email, the email. Although be careful, because in Spain they can also use the word correo electrónico, but it's the same thing. So if someone says mándame un email por favor, it means send me an email please. Or they can use for the word email mándame un correo electrónico, which means the same thing, so you can use both of them. Music and arts. La música, the music. El violín, the violin. La guitarra, the guitar. Next we have el piano, the piano. La orquesta, the orchestra. El jazz, the jazz. El monólogo, the monologue. And la ópera, the opera. La novela, the novel. Sports and activities. El tenis, the tennis. La yoga, the yoga. El voleibol, the volleyball. Clothing, el uniforme, the uniform. But now nature and geography. La geografía, the geography. El río, the river. El día, the day. El mapa, the map. La planta, the plant. La jungla, the jungle. El animal, the animal. El elefante, the elephant. El tigre, the tiger. Concepts and studies. La idea, the idea. La utopía, the utopia. La vitamina, the vitamin. El alcohol, the alcohol. El diálogo, the dialogue. La filosofía, the philosophy. La psicología, the psychology. La antropología, the anthropology. La simetría, the symmetry. Paradigma, paradigm. And now just miscellaneous. La discoteca, la disco, the disco. El índice, the index. Neon, neon. Urgente means urgent. El ángel, the angel. And eléctrico means electric. Visitar means visit. El kilogramo, the kilogram. El gramo, the gram. El mililitro, the milliliter. El centímetro, the centimeter. El metro, the meter. Un metro, 1 meter. 2 metros, 2 meters, and so on. There you have it, 60 Spanish words that are easy to pronounce and to remember. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe for even more useful language content. Also, tell me in the comments down below which of these words were the easiest for you. Thanks for being here. I'll see you in the next video. Adios.